Here's the brand new rebuilt Shelby heads. Driver's head, passenger head. These are the same heads as on a Shelby 4.6 liter. They're the C heads, and they are the upgraded version with the 9-thread spark plug holes. Alright, I gotta bolt the manifold right there onto this head, passenger head. Then we gotta try to figure out how to get this head on the driver's side, because the back head bolt on the bottom, there's no provision for the booster, so I gotta figure out how to get this back on with that back head bolt sticking out. Alright. Gotta put that manifold on. All rebuilt.